YouTube, what's good? Welcome. Welcome followers, welcome new guests, welcome new members. If you're watching, you're new anyway. I want you to sit here and take a look at the future home of bankroll racing high performance. These two cars are the main reason why I decided to go back and start working on my own cars and really start getting ready to go back and do restoration again before I start driving trucks. These are future projects. 73 RS, 68 SS. Well, that just when the honeydew whiteness comes. You already know what that is. Right here's the 89 Chevrolet 3500 two-wheel drive. Big block power. I'm gonna do a paint and some other little odds and end performance on it. Over here's a 68 RS SS. Soon to be big block power. Don't know what power adders yet, but it is going to be power adders. Over here is my 401k plan. As I tell people, this is the car I'm going to do when I retire, or as soon as I get done these next two projects. I will be sitting here doing a full frame model. As you can tell, it needed. It's a 66 SS, gold on gold car, gold paint, gold interior. It's an old race car. Had a little incident with a wall in the back end, hit the wall. This is one of them cars I knew what I wanted, because at the end of the day, when I cut it up and fix it, it's gonna be the way I like it. Some cars are race. I plan on having a fat top car, mini tub. I don't know what I'm doing mini tub, but just a full back half car. But I wanted something that it didn't matter if it get cut up, because at the end of the day, what if I do this car and bring it back? I'm getting a second chance. Second chance on life. Full project, as you can see. It's gonna be rough. Now, when I say rough, when I tell people that this is the roughest car I got, y'all had, they really know, but I don't have some rough cars. But hey, it's just metal. Anything is possible. I actually traded a pretty good 68 Camaro for this car. But like I said, this is one of them bucket list cars. Over there, it's a K10 long bed. Soon to be a project. Gonna be doing putting a 68 C10 body on top of that frame and chassis and setting it up. Pull my car. What best to pull the 68 Camaros with, better than the 68 and K10. Also the 4-wheel drive, because I be getting myself in some sticky situations. Also with this 89, I will be doing a 4-wheel drive swap. Stay tuned, YouTube. Bankroll Racing High Performance is coming to you live in your face and very soon. I have a 24 by 50 foot shop on its way. And voila, what do we have here? Haven't got my power hooked up yet, so excuse the power and the darkness. Doing the best I can for the moment. Right now we're unpacking everything with a new shop. Over there we got the 6 Nova SS. We got the 72 Chevelle back in the corner. We got the 73 RS. We got the 68 RS SS. And over here we got the 68 SS. Over the period of time, we're going to be doing some videos, trying to see which one we're going to do first. We need to go ahead and knock this one out to get it ready for the new season. But my goal is to bring 3 of them out at one time. Over there, we have a couple of big blocks in the making. We got one 400 small block. I ain't forgot what I'm going to do with that one yet. We have a 396/402. We got another 454 over there. And we're going to start collecting parts for the Nova. We're going to do a full off rebuild on that one. I'm probably going to get y'all to help me figure out which way to go with that one, or which part. On this 68 RS SS, the goal is I'm going to ask y'all recommendations of what to run. I don't know whether to run nitrous or twin turbo, or doing naturally aspirated, just straight power. Over there, well, they're just a old big block, ain't nothing too special. But that car back there in the back, that chevelle, we gotta figure out some major plans. I bought that one as a remembrance of my grandma. She's the reason why I'm into the old schools. She used to pick me up every Friday on her way from the poacher in a black 72 SS. So that's kind of like a car tribute car to her. Well, check back over a period of time. Hopefully, I'm trying to track down an electrician right now to get some rear power instead of drop cords and fluorescent lights. I want to get some rear power up in here, get my air compressor hooked up so we can start doing things. But for right now, what we doing, we're unpacking, trying to straighten out everything and get everything situated and try to get some cameras up in here so I don't never have to hold now. So pretty much try to do a live feed. So camera from every angle, nothing to hide, everything to show. I appreciate you checking in and continue watching. Like, share, request, information, send information, whatever you got. We're checking in at Bankroll Racing Performance. Stay tuned and thank you for tuning in.